Oh, there's the hill, came off. I'll just take the, just doing a warm down walk along the river back home instead of going along the street. So it's just an easy walk beside the river. Looks a bit overgrown. This way. I'll go this way. Oh, the old willows are all thickening up. Can't see the damn river. There's the Waipara River's just to the side of me. You can't see it. That meets into the Waikato River. Doesn't look like it's flowing, but it flows from left to right. Water level's quite low, so looks like it's not doing anything.